Imagine making a promise today to buy a specific item at a set price later, but with a professional referee watching to make sure everything stays fair. This organized way of making a deal is what we call a futures contract. It is a formal agreement made through an official exchange to buy or sell a fixed amount of a commodity or a financial asset on a future date at a price you agree on right now. Think of it like pre-ordering a popular video game from a major retail store. You know exactly what you're getting and exactly what you will pay, which is much safer than a casual deal between two people that might be messy or unreliable. Essentially, these are standardized versions of basic agreements that were created to fix the limitations of older, more rigid ways of trading. As we move into how these deals actually work, you will notice that even though we use words like buy and sell, no money or actual items change hands when you first start the deal. Instead, we use specific labels to describe your role in the trade. If you are the person who agrees to buy, you are taking a long position. If you are the person selling, you are taking a short position. To keep everyone honest, a middleman called a clearing corporation guarantees that the deal will actually happen. It is similar to using a trusted online marketplace to buy a used bike. The website holds the details and makes sure both people follow through so that nobody gets cheated. The bottom line is that the exchange provides a safety net so you can trade with confidence without worrying about the other person backing out of the deal. Now, you might wonder who sets the rules for these trades. In this market, you do not have to negotiate the small details because the rules are already set for everyone. These rules are known as the features of futures contracts. The exchange acts as a centralized platform and decides everything from the exact quality and amount of the goods to the rules for margins, which are small deposits both parties pay to show they are serious. This setup allows for price discovery, which is just a way of saying the true price is found through the free interaction of many buyers and sellers. Imagine a supermarket where the weight of the milk and the size of the carton are always the same. You do not argue about the bottle size, you just look at the price on the shelf and decide if it is right for you. In short, because everything is standardized, the only thing you and the other party need to focus on is the price. While these rules make trading very safe and organized, they do come with some trade-offs. These are known as the limitations of futures contracts. Because the exchange sets all the rules, the contracts are rigid. This means you might find that the end dates or maturities do not perfectly match your schedule, or the specific item you want to trade is not on the list of available assets. You also have to deal with mark-to-market settlements, which is a process that requires daily record keeping and extra costs to keep your account balanced as prices change. It is like buying a ticket for a commercial flight. It is safe and reliable, but you cannot ask the pilot to take a detour or change the landing time just for your personal convenience. The takeaway here is that you trade flexibility for safety and organization, which usually involves some extra administrative work and fees.